Hey, what is going on guys, Brush Fusion here, and today I'm with you for a very special video because I haven't announced it on my channel until now, but recently I have lost my dog Buddy. You may have seen some videos of him on my channel, but yeah, he's no longer in pain, which of course I am happy with, but it is very hard. But today's video, I don't want it to be sad. I want to remember him and do this little video especially for you, and I want to show some great memories we have had, so here they are. Buddy! Buddy, 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 buddy! Poor dog, it looks like he's never been fed before. Buddy! Buddy! It's too engrossed into the chicken.
It's not funny. No, it's not. Yeah, right.
Nervy dog. You're right. Yeah. Hey, happy birthday.
Bark at your dog.